Hey guys, welcome back to the Larks. Today we have a 2-cube unboxing from the local brand new dollar store.
So, first we have a mirror blocks, a gold one. We already have a silver one, but I wanted to get a gold one because that's what they had. So let's find a way to get this open. Like, this is harder than most boxes because it's just like just a cube, not plastic wrap, and a super easy box. It's just one of these boxes. Rip that. Let's see if I can actually get in it. So in here is the mirror blocks and a stand. If I can get it open. Good enough. And here's a nice, what's that, business card, pamphlet. And let's get that stand. And a stand. So let's just see turning. Okay, it's really dry. It's not super good. It's really stiff. It's super stiff compared to the silver one that we have right here. This one's smooth and it feels like it has lube. It does not have lube, but it just feels like it. So I'm gonna compare corner cutting. Let's see if we can do half a piece. Yep, can this do half a piece? Yeah, this one can do it almost 45. Let's see how far this can go. Not that far. But I feel like if I loosen this up, it will be better. Caps come off pretty easy. I could just pry that off with my finger pretty easy. Pieces, it's pretty tight. So I might loosen it because it's super tight and hard to turn. So that's all for this cube. Let's move on to the next cube.
So I got this little box with a cube in it. It's the Puzzle Cube Book and Kit, and I think it's got a book in there with some other puzzles and a 3D puzzle. So let's see if I can get this guy open. Fulton's laughing at me. Yeah. There we go. Got the cube right here, and we have our just a little background. I was like, I didn't know where the book was, and a puzzle book. So let's look through the puzzle book first. Got a little introduction. So it looks just like it's a bunch of different puzzles. This is actually pretty cool for people who like puzzles like on the go. I would suggest this for people who really like puzzles. So now let's go on to the cube. That is dry, and it's tight and it's dry. The color scheme though, I gotta say, I actually really like the stickers on this. The red and the green. I don't believe you could use this in a WCA competition, which I wouldn't because that. We've got very little corner cutting.
Is it stable?
It's stable, yeah.
Wait, I want to see.
Yeah, Fulton.
Got it.
This is my first dollar store cube that I have.
Yeah, I think I might make a video of just me making this better.
I don't want it better. I want it to like... The puzzle book it's really nice quality. I have my cube back.
Once I finish this T-perm.
Just looking through some of these puzzles.
I mean, it's really good if you don't finger trick it.
It's not like a
tutorial.
Sure, there is solutions in the back, but I'll show you. So we got Yeah, very little corner cutting. But a cool puzzle is if you're not super into cubing, you know how to solve one, and you might just have a Rubik's Brand, you want to expand your collection of 3x3s, and you just want a little puzzle kit to go on the go. So, thank you all for watching. I don't have the next giveaway winner out yet, but that will be in a future video where I'll announce the winner for that. I hope to see y'all next time. Like and subscribe. Tell your friends. See y'all next time.